Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I teach women how to build a great relationship with a partner. Following with my previous video about the reasons why you get hurt in your relationship and what to do about it, in today's video, I will share with you this only one and simple rule that has turned many relationships from the edge of breaking up or divorce to a lasting and thriving relationship. Many women, including myself, have laughed at themselves when we realize how simple this golden rule is. From feeling hurt, upset, disappointed, angry, neglected, or resentful in our relationships, we have transformed to happy, loving, and supportive partners to our men as we receive the love and the support we need from them. You will be surprised as how simple this rule is and how effective it is if you actually put it into practice. So here is the golden rule. Men are different from women. That's it. If you just remember this and apply it to your relationship, you will save yourself from so many headaches, frustration, upset, anger, and hurt with your man. When I hear women and men complain about their relationships, what I see is that women complain their man not being a woman, and men complain their woman not being a man. Women want to make their man their girlfriend, and men want to make their woman their guide friend. This is wrong, but no one teaches us about this stuff about women, men, and relationships. Women and men are wired biologically, psychologically, and physiologically differently from each other, as thousands of years ago, we needed these differences to survive. However, life has changed so much that we no longer need these differences for us to survive in today's world. We live in such an equipped world that no wild animals would come to our house for food, and we wouldn't need to walk for miles for water and fruit. Women are no longer need men to go to the jungle to get food for the family, and men no longer need women to keep the family and the house well taken care of. Women and men can literally do these things on their own nowadays. Though as much as our lives have changed dramatically, the differences between women and men remain the same. Our biology and physiology remain the same. Men still think and act like men, and women still think and act like women, and there's nothing wrong with it. In fact, if we learn about these differences, respect them, and work with them effectively, women and men can support each other so much better in a romantic relationship. Ladies, let's be honest here. It's much nicer to have our boyfriend or husband to carry the heavy bag or fixing the light bulb in the house, right? Women, we can do these things too. In fact, I know there are women out there that actually enjoy doing this heavy lifting or fixing things in the house. However, most women don't enjoy doing these things and would very appreciate their men to help them on this. If we realize that men prefer men things and women prefer women things, we can make our lives and our partner's lives much easier. How many times your partner just can't get it what you're upsetting about? And how many times you just can't get it how he couldn't text you often, compliment you, or listen to you? Aren't these what a partner does in a relationship? You know what? I totally get you because I'm a woman. I know your need. I understand your pain, your hurt, your jealousy, your insecurity, and the inner wound that all women we all have. I myself have them as well. We are no different. However, to expect your man to read you, to understand what's going on in your mind, to buy you flowers even though you tell him not to because you want him to save money, or to stay with you even though you're upset and tell him you want to be alone. Ladies, men don't get it. They don't understand us. but it doesn't mean that they will never understand us. My boyfriend has changed so much, especially he understands my needs and my wants more. As a result, he gives me what I need most in a relationship, which is love, attention, respect, trust, and acceptance. I have nothing to complain about him, but only grateful for the man that I'm with. So, to wrap things up, men are different from women, and men can't be women. The more you try to make him become your girlfriend, the more hurt, anger, argument, and fight you have with him. However, he can learn to understand you more and give you what you need most in a relationship. When we get hurt, it is because we think about ourselves instead of our partners. We expect him to think and feel the same as us, which he can't, but you can teach him. And this is what my channel is all about. Help you help yourself, your man, and your relationship. When you remember to tell yourself that he said this, he did this because he's a man, he doesn't know and doesn't understand me yet. It helps you not to take things personally, rather than think that he doesn't care, doesn't love you, or doesn't find you attractive. Seriously, it will help you so much, as it has helped so many other women and myself. You probably think that you can't just tell yourself this rule whenever you're hurt or upset with your partner all the time. You want your partner to understand you and to stop doing the things that hurt your feelings. Well, I agree that you want to be in a relationship where you feel understood and heard, and that he would not do things that hurt your feelings. I will teach you that too. However, my teaching will not be effective to you if you don't apply the rule that women and men are different. This rule is the foundation of any of my further teaching that will help you achieve the love life that you want. Without realizing that men are different from women, you will behave and talk to your man the same way as you talk to your girlfriend, which will lead you to not getting the love and the support you want from your man. Spend time this week to think about how you have acted and treated your man like your girlfriend instead of treating him like a man. Ask yourself what he truly needs from you that might be different from yours in a relationship, and let me know your answer in the comment below. In the next video, I will teach you ways to talk to your man that he will appreciate and actually want to listen to you and your feelings. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. Thank you for your attention. Take care, and I will see you next time.